All right, let's go for a ride if we can get out of here. I don't know if you can see over there, but that is all mud. Mud, mud, mud. Outside. Yeah, brakes. Not used to the brakes being so touchy. Haven't driven this thing in a month. Suburban's got more, I'm not gonna say mushy, but they're not firm so quick. I don't think we're gonna get stuck. I'm gonna get out of here. Get some speed to get through here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Mudding in the Mercedes. We're just gonna go for a quick drive and see. It's still got some vibration. I actually adjusted the idle. It's had a fast idle, and I adjusted that to get rid of that fast idle. And I've got a kit for shift flares I gotta put in. This thing's definitely flaring. Anyway, I adjusted the idle compensator or whatever, I might have knocked the vacuum line loose. It's not shifting right. I'll need to check my lines. I think I knocked one loose messing with it. Anyway, it's got a little bit of a shift flare under light throttle, and it's really messing up now, so I think it's definitely, I knocked something loose now, but I've gone through all the adjustments and definitely I'll pull in here and look at my vacuum lines real quick. But definitely got to get this thing shifting right. Put a kit in the transmission shift improvement kit. I can't get my thoughts together. All right, let me check these lines. I didn't see anything. Guess we'll try it again and see what it does. But yeah, I adjusted the idle screw, and I've got it right about 800. And then I adjusted the it's a rack pin or something like that, and got it to idle a little bit smoother, but not really. My tires could have been spinning before. Yeah, it is not happy right now. cable, my vacuum line came off down at the transmission. I'll have to check it out. But it's definitely kind of shifting like it doesn't have, well, I don't know. Normally they shift hard when they're when they don't have vacuum. It's stacking the shifts. Just part throttle. It's definitely more throttle responsive though. Yeah. Saw that flare. I'm gonna go adjust the Bowden cable. It's actually cracked. Well, it's more than cracked now, it's broken. So that could be the cause of it. I put some epoxy on it when it cracked, but then it continued to break. Quite a bit of mud over there. So let's adjust the Bowden cable. Let's go. Tighter on it. I think I fixed it, but we may have to readjust the Bowden cable since I messed with it. When I put this back on, I put it on the wrong side of this lever. It's got a little tab right there, and I put it on this side of the tab, not on this side. So basically the Bowden cable wasn't doing anything. So let's see. Like I said, we might have to readjust it because since I turned the Bowden cable, turned the adjustment on it, shift points are probably off. But let's see if it drops better now. So we're gonna have to be careful so we don't over rev it. If it's way off. I did turn it back in a couple turns. And I did get up under it and checked, and the vacuum line is still connected to the transmission. So we're shifting it, it's shifting a little bit late. Not bad though. It's like 4,400. I think 4,300, 42, 43 is where it's supposed to shift. But yeah, that's definitely better, and no flaring, no anything. The flaring that it's been doing is only under light throttle. I could probably turn that thing about another half turn, and it would probably be right about right. I think. All right, so now let's go again. I don't know how to get the first gear shift has always been too soon on this thing, and you can't get the Bowden cable adjusted to where the first gear shift is right. First gear shifts too soon. All the other shift points are perfect. First gear is too soon. It is back in business, and got a fresh valve adjustment, injectors balanced with new nozzles, and what else do we do to it? We check the timing chain stretch, I guess that's it. So I am going to park it, and I'm going to do an oil change on it. I'm not going to video that because I've done a video on it, and we are going to call it good. So I will be driving this again to work. A month of driving the Suburban. I'm going to miss the heated seats, but I do like driving the Mercedes. It's very nimble, and of course it saves me on fuel. So thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below, hit the like button, and subscribe for more.